Sir, you will be arrested if you do not present some type of identification.
Really?
Really?
You can step out of the vehicle for
I'll
me.
step out of the vehicle for $500.
He just wanted money.
I'll answer any questions for $100 a question.
$100
I
a
will
question.
answer that.
Please get in the car.
I'll get in the car for $500.
He's gonna get in the car for $500. He's got personality. I'll give him credit.
Get in the car.
I already conditionally accepted your offer.
On August 18th, 2022, police initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle with an expired tag. The driver began to record on his phone while the officer explained the reason for being pulled over.
Right away, we're recording.
Okay, well, you are driving on
I'm
the
not a
roadways in the
driver,
state of
please,
Florida,
I'm a
so I need your driver's license or your
I
identification.
think you're a driver.
Like I said, I'm not driving.
Okay, well, I am conducting a lawful stop. You are required to present me your identification, so I'll take whatever identification you have.
Okay, I don't carry identification unless someone's going to pay me for my name.
Why wouldn't you carry identification? Everywhere you go, and you always need to show an ID. I mean, it's the best practice to make you feel, at least for me, I always feel like I want to be able to show my ID if I ever had to.
Okay. So what's your name?
Okay, I'm just recording this for the record. I'm not driving or operating a vehicle.
But you're sitting behind
for
a
hire on the
vehicle.
road.
Sir, you will be arrested if you do not present some type of identification.
Really?
Really?
Excuse me?
I said really?
Yes, sir, really.
Why do I need to provide identification?
You are operating a vehicle on the roadways in the
I'm
state
not
of Florida. Sir, with all due respect. You're behind the in the driver's seat, behind the steering wheel. I've been behind.
And this is in the driver's seat. Now, if you want to try and prove in court that I'm driving or operating a vehicle for hire, then fine, but I'm stating for the record that I'm not driving or operating.
Well, I don't understand why you're
That's official.
Give him an ID. Hopefully let you go. Just write your ticket.
$500
Okay, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
Sir, I can step out of the vehicle.
You can step out of the vehicle for
I'll
me.
step out of the vehicle for $500.
Sir, step out of the vehicle.
Oh, here we go. Hold.
Roll over on your stomach. Okay, sir, at this time you are being placed under arrest.
Now you might end up paying
You will
money
be
if you
registered
want
as a
to.
John Doe until you are properly identified.
But I already said I'm not driving or operating.
Okay, well, yes, sir, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm not driving or operating a vehicle.
Ma'am, do you have a valid driver's license? May I see it, please? Thank
Now,
you.
there is one smart person. She is cooperating. Hopefully the officer's going to let her go.
Can I speak to a supervisor? Because I'm still in honor and you're arresting me and I'm being fully transparent that I'm not a driver or operator. And if you want my name, I'm conditionally accepting my name.
I also have a request for a supervisor.
And I will prove on the record in court that my name is my property. I've registered it with the county recorder more than 2 years ago. So I hope you're still recording because I have my case number, my filing number, and I was not pulling over. I'm coming here to the printer
Here we
because they
go.
have a printer
Now that's a
for me I'm
supervisor.
picking up. So
I need to get him into a car. While they try to get him.
Stand up, man.
I can't.
Roll to your side. Bend your knees up.
There you go.
Wait, you're hurting me.
Roll to your side.
Yeah, I know, but these cuffs are on too tight.
I'll help you
and
up.
you're hurting me.
All right.
My phone is still recording,
Yes, sir. We'll make sure you have your phone.
but I want that on the record.
Okay. Well, here. As a matter of fact, you can continue recording. I'll stick in your pocket.
I already conditionally accepted all of his offers for my schedule, and
Conditionally
Anything on your person
accepted.
before you go back in my car?
This will be his right here. And it's still recording.
I'll answer any questions for $100
Answer
a
this
question.
question.
$100
I
a
will
question.
answer that
You
for
got to give him credit,
$100
man.
cash. You don't have the right. You can search me for $500 cash. I'm conditionally accepting all of your offers for my fee schedule.
There's no charge for that.
Okay, ma'am. Could you fill me on what's going on here?
I don't know. I don't understand his thing. I don't
Okay.
understand that. I don't know.
Okay. How do you know him?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Oh, you're trained on this at the Fraternal Order of Police. I'm an expert on honor.
You got to like his
Okay.
girlfriend.
What's his name?
Wow. Being honest,
Is this his
vulnerable.
vehicle?
Yeah. I mean, I think it's fine.
Okay. I'll be right back. Thank you.
My name is my property. You can search me for $500. I'm going to need your name because I'm going to charge.
I'm sorry, I
you.
don't need to be laughing. He wants $500
I did not
for
give you
everything.
permission to search
For
me
his
without
name, he
payment.
gets searched. He
You're
wants
violating
$100
my
per
rights
question.
And my ability, you're violating my rights. I have done
He's
nothing
making a
wrong.
demand.
I'm
They're
in
not making
honor.
an offer.
That you're violating all my rights. I'm in honor, and you're violating all my rights.
Go on this side.
I will come over there for $100.
Let's go.
Man, you're assaulting me.
Not
You're
because
asking-
your honor is
Stop
a judge.
resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting if I'm conditionally accepting all of your
Alright,
offers
get
for
in the
my
car.
fee schedule. You know I'm
Sir,
telling the
please get in the
truth.
car.
You're going into
Please
this.
get in the car.
I'll get in the car for
Get in the car.
$500.
Get in
No,
the
you're
car.
forcing me.
He's going to get in the car for $500. He's got personality. I'll give him credit.
Get in the car.
I already conditionally accepted your offer
Get
for
in the
money.
car. Get in the car.
Dude,
Get in the car.
You're assaulting and battering me, and you're violating my rights.
Get in the car.
I conditionally accepted your
knee.
offer
Watch
for
your
my
knee.
fee schedule.
Watch your knee.
No, dude, you can't put me in jail. You can't do
car.
this. You guys are going into
They
this.
only can.
All right, here's your ID back, and do you have somebody else who can come pick you up?
Am I not allowed to take his car?
It's actually his mom's car, so more likely not. We'll go over and try talking to him again, but he's obviously not very cooperative.
Wow.
So,
Call her an
I'll be right
Uber.
back.
Hello. How is your relationship with his mother?
I mean, we know each
Amicable?
other.
Like she
Yeah.
can give you a ride and all that kind of stuff?
I would hope so.
Okay, no big deal. I just wanted to make sure you were comfortable with that too, because I believe she's going to have to come and pick up the vehicle.
And I don't know how she's going to do that. Have you guys talked to her?
They're calling her now. So, well, do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, he checked
You can
it.
drive her car.
Well, that's what I asked him, and he said
You
no.
can't drive this car though. The problem is you're not any registered owner of the vehicle or any of
That
that kind
makes
of
sense.
So she shows up.
If she shows up, she can take this car and you can take her car. Hey, sir. Quick question. No, keep your feet in the car. Do not get out of the car. Do you understand me right now?
I'll stay in the car for $100.
Listen,
I'll
you're
stay in
staying.
the car for $100.
I'm gonna stay in the car for $100.
How is your relationship with your mother?
She's probably sleeping right now.
Okay.
Look, I'll answer all your questions for $100 per question, cash, in writing.
Yeah,
That's not
okay,
a
here
vehicle,
goes the
it's a
tow.
car.
Car's
She's
getting
85
towed.
years old, and I'll answer
Now
all the
you'd be
rest of
paying
your questions for
$100.
$100
instead
again.
of $100. Move on to the next.
We're just going to tow it. She's 85 years old, he said, and I'll answer my questions for $100 a question.
Gosh, I didn't even think about the tow business. How much money they must make on all this business when they arrest people.
We just need a regular tow form for this, right? Yeah. Because we're not actually taking possession of the vehicle. All right, ma'am. Unfortunately, we are towing the vehicle, okay? We can't get a hold of her. We just tried calling from his phone.
Oh, you have his phone.
Yes. Maybe she didn't want to answer the phone because I don't know.
She might be sleeping.
Is this his normal demeanor?
He has this thing about, so is there something wrong with the car? Because I thought that's what the police officer said.
We stopped him for something.
Right, and I thought he said something about the car hasn't been registered or something since March, or I don't know. All I know is his mom co-signed
I don't know
on the car.
I don't know the initial reason for the stop. I just know that he was asking for someone to come back him up. He knows to me what the reason is.
Do you know what his
And
charges are now?
there's at least a resisting.
He just wanted money.
The suspect was charged with resisting an officer and posted bond later that same day. His case is still ongoing, but his asking fee has increased to $15 million, according to a letter to the court.
Okay, wow, this was a different one. Interesting. I've never had or seen anybody that wants to be paid for cooperating or not cooperating. But at the end, he's now raised it. According to what he sent the court, he wants $15 million for his troubles. So we'll see. Not sure he'll get it, but hey, I guess anything's possible in this world. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Darryl Isaacs, and see you next time on Hammer's Law.